Getting our nails done, our hair done, our eyebrows done today.
I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody. I don't care about your.
As my eyes them done on all up. We gotta work so we can pay the bills. We're going to, and I got these in Ross. These are very good. And we're off. You see my nails look very petite, very grown, very mature, very.
I really need somebody. Tell me you that somebody.
So we're going on the road right now. We are about to get ourselves together, getting our nails done, our hair done, our eyebrows done today. I'm tired. I got in bed after 5 this morning and I am up now at 8. I got up at 8:15 and I went to my bed I went to my bed 7 o'clock this morning. No, not 7 o'clock, 6 o'clock this morning. I am hella tired, but let's get it. Yeah, so there's definitely a reason why my eyes them cover up, because my eyes them don't know all up. My eyes are in a sinkhole because I am extremely tired. But we have to do what we have to do. We gotta work so we can pay the bills. I know we need to get ready so we can go for enjoyment as well. Ah boy. Anyways, I'm walking on my hill. So let's get to it. Hey guys, so this time around I'm actually going to get some color in my hair.
Turn on the rose and sing for me. Black Alex, don't think about it. Got a body, I forgot it.
It's been a while I haven't got my hair done like twist out in a natural state, so that was pretty cool. Look at the lens. And then, you know, if you're going on vacation, you gotta get your toes done. Look at this. Yeah, my fingernails are looking dusty crusty. So we love a good pedicure, clack it. So we got some pedicure, we got our manicure, we got our hair done. Look how cute we're looking. I love the color. I was skeptic at first, but how do we feel about the color? Do we like it? And of course, when you get in a pedicure, you have to get a good scrub down. And then it was time for eyebrows. Listen, I miss my eyebrow lady in Montego Bay. Listen, when she does that tint, when she does the tint and she does the shave it, 10 out of 10 would recommend. And I told her to go heavy on it because I knew that I had a long trip ahead. All right, so we're ready to go. We're going to Panama. That's the first stop. So let's go. What am I wearing today? My hair got done, my eyebrows are done, earrings are Kate Spade, necklace is Coach, top is, you see my nails look very petite, very grown, very mature, very demure. Top is Blue Label. It's on the Berry brand. And let me show you my outfit. Step back. So pants, maybe I'm gonna see me clearly. These. They're kind of like Birkenstock. They're called Woodstock. They're made from leather, cork, same sort of material, just cheaper. And I got these in Ross. These are very good. And we're off. And I'm turning my background. This color was so cute and feminine. I loved it. It was so cute. I know we're at the airport. I love the airport. It's my favorite place. This time around we're going with Copa Airlines, so that was pretty interesting. It was my first time taking Copa. They had a special going on. I'm not sure if they're still doing a special right now, but they had a special going on where you could go to Panama and then you could have a long layover in between. So you know that we're going to multiple countries on this trip. I love Montego Bay Airport. It gives sophisticated, it gives international. I love it. And of course we had to get some food before we leave. more than likely I'm a Wendy's girl. We always stop at Wendy's when I'm in the airport. And then it was time to board our flight. Listen, I get so excited about traveling. I wish I shared my videos a bit quicker, but yeah, I'm a delayed girl. You get the video when I'm ready to give the video. But this trip, 10 out of 10, worth it. I hope you stick around for the other vlogs to come. This was just to get ready with me. The hair was around 10,000 Jamaican dollars. My eyebrows are around 2,000 Jamaican dollars. 2,000 Jamaican dollars. And then my nails, feet, and manicure were around 10,000 Jamaican dollars. So, and you know, food in between, because when you go to your appointments, you have to get food as well. So that was about around $30,000 to get me maintained and ready for a trip. Yeah. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Subscribe. I'm so excited. I'm ready to go. I'm ready to go and see some new countries. And I hope you enjoyed the vlog. When I travel as well, I have some essential. I have to get my earplugs in. Yeah. One advice: if you're traveling, do not wash your hair before your trip, because water gets in your ears and then you have a very painful flight. So that's one travel tip. Do not wash your hair like in the week before your flight, and get earplugs and get gums and have a snack and drink a lot of water during your flight. All the best, and I see you in Panama. I'm so excited. All right, enjoy the flight, baby girl, baby boy. And yeah, I usually start chewing my gums, put in my earplugs, put my neck pillow around my neck, and get really comfy and cozy before the flight takes off. Yeah, my neck pillow is kind of squeezing me right here, but I tend to prep and get ready before the flight takes off. Put on my sunglasses. I like putting on my sunglasses in a plane because I can sleep and no one can really see my eyes. So yeah, it's a thing I do. But I'm always listening for that in flight cart. But I hope you enjoy the trip. I hope you enjoy the vlogs. Catch you in the next one. Love you, and thank you for subscribing and liking and commenting. So for in-flight, we got some tortilla chips, and they were actually pretty good. Lightly salted and really good. And then we also got some chocolate cream. I'm not a huge fan of chocolate anymore, but it was good. Bye. I hope you enjoyed the vlog. Catch my next vlog. All right, see you.